Hey there guys, welcome to Imperial Arms. We're doing a box 13-14 playbook for Dom. That's one Dominic. Come on. Did right on there we go. Wrote his name right on there for you, so good luck Dominic. This could be an interesting pack. So we got Matt Duchesne 249 for the Avalanche base. And we got Class Booklet or Class Book. And we got Vladimir Tarasenko and Valery Nichushkin. Looks like just the jersey versions. Tarasenko and Valery Nichushkin. And also have a Dominion dual auto of Nick Bukestad and Drew Shore out of 99. 66 of 99. Nice hit there. Thanks, Tom.